Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here: which of the following is the next term in the series given below? Now if you observe, B is second letter and X is third from N. Third from N. D is fourth letter and U is sixth from left. So the second letter is jumping 3 steps and first letter is jumping 2 steps. So let's see: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So B and X, D and U, F and yes, correct, R, H and 2 more letters leaving we have O. Yes, H and O. So the next term will be J and leave 2 letters and L. So we have J and L as answer. So next term will be JL. Answer is option A.